Hi everyone, I'm Tanuja and welcome to my channel Fluentspire. So this video is just for motivation. If you are a person who feel lack of motivation while learning English, so this video is for you. I also felt the same in the beginning, but now I don't feel demotivation. And also I am consistent with my practice. How? I'll give you some of the tips that you can follow or you can understand why you feel demotivated. The first thing is that you don't have clear goals in your mind, that why are you doing this thing. You know that it is important and many people are doing, so I have to do it. No, just think about you, how it will benefit you and what will be the result after doing practice for months or after an year. Then you will realize that yes, this is the importance and now I have to continue. If I'll talk about me, so yeah, as I mentioned that I was feeling the same, but I realized if I'll not do practice, then I'll not achieve anything. But if I'll do this thing, continue, whether I'm getting results now or not, but I'm sure that in the future I will definitely get the result. And it will benefit me a lot because when I'll become fluent in this language, then I can access many opportunities. So think about this thing first. Why are you doing this? Your why should be clear. And then second thing is you don't need to follow traditional methods. Yeah, I know most of the people or teachers, they suggest that you should watch English content or you should read newspaper or read books. But sometimes we don't feel enough interest or don't get enough interest while doing that thing. So just change your strategy, or no matter like one day if you are doing reading or doing listening but you are not getting enough interest, so just change the strategy. For example, if you love listening some of the stories or maybe love stories, romantic stories, then you can watch that things as well. But ultimate goal is to learn English, so you can do this thing. And also you can follow some of the English content, they make English more interesting, so then you will definitely get some interest. And no matter, for example, you are skipping for 1 day or 2 days, then you feel next day, now I already left, so I don't want to continue this thing. Just get up again and try to learn again. No matter if you are skipping for 1 day or 2 days, that is completely fine, but you are not giving up, so that's matter a lot. And as I mentioned, that think about the result. For example, if I have to see that after 1 years, how would I become good English speaker, or how I'll see myself the different version. Just think about that, do imagination, then you will see like, oh, now if I'll practice it now, then I'll see the drastic change in upcoming years. So think about that, and then you will feel some kind of motivation. I know it's kind of boring in the beginning, but when you will see your upgraded version, then you will be more happier than others. You have to compare yourself all the time, like earlier I was like this and now I'm like this. So in this way you will get some motivation and will do continue practice for yourself or for your growth. I hope this is a kind of motivation you need, and if you need any kind of help from my side, so I'll be there. And follow and comment me down if you have any question. Till then, take care. Bye bye.